Me, I said, hello, I just want you to do me simple braids bun, very cute hairstyle, not much, but cute. And then she asked, why are you having natural hair? I said, I love natural hair. She said, it's good to relax your hair. If you relax your hair, it will be easier to braid and it will be more prettier if you do braids. I said, I preferred to have natural hair. You know it's very hard to braid natural hair, she said. I said, but I also love natural hair, even if it's prettier when you braid relaxed hair, but I preferred being natural. And I asked, are you sure you can do natural hair? If you can corrode natural hair, just tell me and I will do it by myself. And she said, no, she can do natural hair. She does both natural hair and the relaxed hair. If you relax your hair will be softer and it will be more easier to braid. And then she said, okay, let's start. And I said, thank you. I'm waiting to see the finished look. And then she just attached the extension directly on my edges. And you guys know my edges very, very sensitive. The hairs on my edges very, very sensitive. What makes you to grip my edges tight, I will lose a lot of hair on my edges. And then when she was going back, I was dragging my hair. Please bring my hair back, oh. My hair is going, oh, bring it back. And she was saying, oh no, madam, it's not looking nice. Oh, just let me take everything up. It's not looking nice, madam. No, not looking nice, not looking nice. I said, okay. And then she restarted again. She said, it's better to just start with your natural hair first. I said, good, start. She started braiding my natural hair, and I was still feeling headache, and I was dragging my natural hair, telling my sister, please come and help me, oh. And she was attaching the extensions. Going back, she would be attaching the extension, and I was dying. And the mother said, I want to help my daughter. And the mother came, the mother of the girl came, and she helped me. She was dragging my edges. She was helping, holding my edges. I was still waiting to see the finished look. She was saying, Madam, oh, it's very, very beautiful. Come and see Freedom. It's very, very beautiful. This one is very, very nice. And everybody was admiring the braids. Even my sister said it's very beautiful. And I was just like, okay, let me see it. This one, I would have just allowed her to braid all the hair like this. Just because my edges, she dragged my edges. And then I was not feeling the style at all. Just because of my edges. And I hope you guys can see it. And I was even having headache. And I said, I don't want this style. Please lose it. I don't like this style. And then you can see I'm even shaking my head. I don't like it. Lose it. I don't like it. And even people on my Snapchat were just like, because I showed the hair on my Snapchat. And people were saying, no, it's not looking nice. And she said, okay, let me do you another one. I said, okay, I'm ready. And as at now, I was dying, crying, tears on my eyes. And I was just like, what will I do? I just need to do this hair by myself. But I said, okay, just let me give it a try because I want her to collect the money. And she was just like, a Didi will be very fine. And I said, do the Didi for me. I want to see the finished look of the Didi. She was doing the Didi like this. Going gradually. And I was still expecting to see the finished look. And I also showed the Didi on my Snapchat, and people on my Snapchat were just like, Freedom Styles, you are too big for this. Lose this hair. And I was just like, no, I don't want to waste her energy. I just want her to do something for me. And then I was just still expecting to see the finished look, and then when she was braiding the hair. And then I'm a person, I don't always like to degrade someone's work. I always like to support people, especially young people. And I was still telling her, keep up the good work you are trying. Always on my mind. See if you struck me, but I'm distracted without you. I don't know how to focus, teaching you how to. Cause I'm standing still. I wouldn't mind a little comfort from you. Why do I let you mind? Because of the way she banged my neck, I was having pains. And I was still waiting to see the finished look to just like rest my head. She was telling me if I want to apply relaxer on my head, that she says relaxer, that she will bring the relaxer for me to use. And I told her, I don't want to relax my hair. And then she keep on saying about relaxer, and she keep on saying I should relax my hair. She ended up attaching the extensions like this. And as at now, guys, I was dying. It was so painful. Looking cute. What do you guys think? And she said, Madam, let me take you pictures. And she took pictures of the hairstyles. And this is the finished look of the hair. Very, very painful. And I was having headache. Unfortunately, the following day in the morning, I took down the braids, paid her, and then she left. This is my experience, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.